Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel The Terrace Kitchen. I'm here today not to cook anything but for a very special reason. That is, to thank you all. The Terrace Kitchen family has recently reached the milestone of 1 million subscribers and I'm very happy about it. We started our journey in September 2016. We chose September because September 29 is my birthday. It took us 319 videos, around 3 years and a lot of hard work to reach where we are today. A very special thanks goes to my mother-in-law who manages the home when we are shooting and takes care of Prahinya. We get a lot of wonderful comments from you all, which always motivate us and encourage us, and that is the reason we have never missed any video as per our schedule. Even when I was on site in Germany for some office work and I was pregnant with my son, and even after certain periods post my delivery. Now let's quickly take a look at the golden play button or golden award which YouTube has sent us. I'm very excited and I hope you are equally excited as I am. And this is the gold play button. It's so big. So there's one letter from YouTube. And this is the play button. It looks beautiful and it's much bigger than the silver play button. Once again, a very big thank you to all and stay tuned and keep watching our channel for more wonderful recipes. Bye! Test recording, test recording, test recording, test recording. क्या ऑन ही नहीं था? बाल वाल ठीक है? एक बार फिर से स्टार्टिंग से बोलती हूँ। तो आज हम देखेंगे कि छोटी सी कंघी से बाल